Here we have a metal door that's been kicked in. Don't spend $350 for a new one. Use a $20 door saver instead. Let me show you how to fix this. Let's get to it. The door saver comes in different sizes. Know the size you need before getting one. The measurements you need before buying one is the thickness of the door. An exterior door is usually 1 3/4, and the back set. The back set is the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the handle hole. This can be 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. Okay, for this video, I'm not going to talk so much. You can pretty much see what I'm doing. Here are most of the things I will be using. I have a link below if you're interested in buying any of these things. Check the gap to make sure the door saver is gonna fit. Don't use the screws that came with it. Use self-tapping screws. Make sure it's all the way pushed back on the door at the bottom and at the top. Here are the self-tapping screws. Push this way. These are the other two screws that comes with it. These are metal screws. Still good. Check to see if the door locks and not rubbing on the frame anywhere. It's good. There you have it, just like that. Fixed. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Till next time. Peace.